Good morning friends. Today I am here with Coal and Petroleum part 1 of 8th standard. Here we are going to discuss some topics like natural resources, types of natural resources, fossil fuels, coal, useful products from coal. So let us start the session. First it is about natural resources. So natural resources are those resources which are obtained from nature, like air, water, sunlight, soil, minerals, forests, wildlife. So these all are the natural resources. We are getting it from nature. Now you can see here the pictorial form of natural resources, that is sunlight, water, forest, soil, wildlife and different minerals. Now let us see what are the different types of natural resources. There are two main types of natural resources. What are they? Inexhaustible natural resources and exhaustible natural resources. Here we are going to discuss one by one. First it is about inexhaustible natural resources. Inexhaustible natural resources are those resources which are present in unlimited amount in nature, and it cannot be exhausted or it cannot be finished by human activity, like sunlight, air, water. So they are the inexhaustible natural resources. Now let us see what are the exhaustible natural resources. Inexhaustible natural resources are those resources which are present in limited amount in nature, and whenever it is not conserved, then it can be exhausted by human activities like forests, wildlife, minerals, coal, petroleum, natural gas. These are the natural resources, but whenever they are not conserved, then it can be exhausted by human activities. So among the natural resources, some resources are inexhaustible and some resources are exhaustible. Now let us see about the fossil fuel. Fossil fuel are those fuel which are formed from the dead remains of living organisms that lived millions of years ago, like coal, petroleum, natural gas. So they are the fossil fuels. Here you can see coal, petroleum, how petroleum is drilled or taken out from the sea, and this is a gas flame, that is a natural gas which is used in your home also. Here you can see the coal and petroleum. Now let us see about the coal. Coal is formed by the burial of forest. When forest buried under the soil due to some natural calamities like earthquake, landslides and flooding. So what will happen? When they are buried, the soil deposit over them and they were pushed deeper into the soil and get compressed. So due to high temperature and pressure and inside the earth, you know that there is absence of air. So these dead plants get slowly converted into coal. It takes millions of years for conversion of the dead plants into coal. So this process of conversion of dead plants into coal is called carbonization, because coal is a form of carbon. Carbon is present. So that is why the process of conversion of dead plants into coal is called as carbonization. And coal was formed from remains of vegetation, so it is called as fossil fuel. Here it is a view of coal mines, how the coal is extracted or taken out from the coal mines. Here it is the coal. Now let us see what are the useful products which are obtained from coal. Generally there are three important products. First is the coal, second one is the coal tar and third one is the coal gas. So these are the important products, main products which are obtaining by the processing of coal, and they are coke, coal tar and coal gas. So here we are going to discuss one by one. First is coke. How coke is obtained? It is formed from the coal when coal is heated in absence of air. Coke is a tough, porous and black substance obtained during the processing of coal, and it is the purest form of carbon. Coke is the purest form of carbon. So it is used in the manufacture of steel and extraction of many metals during processing of or extraction of metals. Here you can see coal and coke. You see here the coke is porous. Now the next material or product which is obtained from coal is coal tar. It is obtained by cooling the gas that is formed during the destructive distillation of coal. So whenever the gas is cooled, then it will form the coal tar. It is black thick liquid with an unpleasant smell. The smell is not good. And this coal tar consists of several substances. About 200 substances are present in this coal tar. And where it is used for the manufacture of dyes, drugs, explosives, perfumes, plastics, paints, naphthalene balls, roofing material, photographic material, etc. So you can see that there are various uses of coal tar. Here you can see the coal tar. Now the third product which is obtained from coal is coal gas. Actually, coal gas is a mixture of hydrogen and carbon monoxide, and also it is formed by the destructive distillation of bituminous coal. Bituminous coal is a type of coal, and when it is heated in absence of air, then this coal gas is formed, and it is a mixture of hydrogen and carbon monoxide. So it is used as fuel in industry, and it was used for street lighting earlier. Whenever the electricity was not discovered. So earlier it was used for street lighting. Here you can see the how production of coal gas takes place. It is a summary of products which are obtained from coal. First is coke, which is solid. Second one is coal tar, which is liquid. Third one is coal gas, which is gas. So three forms: solid, liquid and gas. Coke is used to make iron and other metals because they are used in furnace. And coal tar is used to make dye, drugs, perfumes, etc. Whereas this coal gas is used as fuel in so many industry. Thank you. For any kind of doubts, please write your question in comment section.